Hello, Jason here. On the 1st of January 2020, the laws governing septic tanks changed, making 90% of septic tanks in England, Wales and Scotland illegal. In the next 3 minutes, I will explain what all these new laws are and how they will affect you. I'll also show you how to make your old septic tank legal without having to spend out thousands of pounds replacing it. But first, let me explain why the government have introduced these new septic tank laws. In a bid to reduce the pollution risk from septic tanks, in 2020 the government introduced new laws for septic tank owners called the Pollution Act for Septic Tanks. So, what are these new laws? What it means is that any septic tank that is found to leak, smell, pollute the soil or a watercourse, or does not have an EN 12566-1 certificate will now be illegal. So, how will these new laws affect you? Well, starting this year, government site inspectors will visit all septic tank owners across the UK to inspect their septic tank. And based on their findings, your septic tank will either pass or fail. Now, recent reports show that 90% of septic tanks in England, Wales and Scotland are now illegal. So, if you suspect your septic tank will fail, or maybe it has failed a government site inspection and you've received a violation notice and your septic tank is now illegal, what are your options? How can you make your septic tank legal? Option 1. Once you've been served a government enforcement order, you'll then be required to install a new septic tank and soakaway that has a government EN 12566-1 certification. Now, this option will cost you around £8,000 to £12,000. On top of that, you'll also need retrospective planning approval, and you will not be able to sell your house until the new system is installed. Option 2. Some government enforcement orders will require that you must install an electric sewage treatment plant that has a government EN 12566-3 certification. Now, this option will cost you around £10,000 to £15,000, and once again, you'll also need retrospective planning approval, and you won't be able to sell your house until your new sewage system is installed. Or you could choose option 3. The good news is that there's a really simple and easy way to make your old septic tank legal without having to spend thousands of pounds in replacement costs. All you need is the amazing Ecosystem Septic Tank Converter. The Ecosystem is a small black box that's powered by nature, not electricity, and will turn your old septic tank into a fully legal, government-approved system. So, how does the Ecosystem Septic Tank Converter work? Well, the Ecosystem is 100% organic. Inside, organic bacteria and enzymes break the sewage waste down like a compost heap into safe, clean mineral water. So, how do you install the Ecosystem? Well, the Ecosystem works with all septic tanks and is very easy to install. Just dig a small hole and connect the Ecosystem to your old septic tank. Job done. It really is that easy. So, how much does the amazing Ecosystem Septic Tank Converter cost? Well, it's £12,000 cheaper than having to replace your old septic tank. And for a limited time, you can now get the amazing Ecosystem Septic Tank Converter for only £3,999. But you know what? I want to make this offer even better for you. For the next few days, you can now save an extra £1,000 off the normal price, which means the amazing Ecosystem Septic Tank Converter is now only £2,999. That's £1,000 off the normal price, which means you can now make your old septic tank legal for even less. But just a word of warning, I only have a handful of units left at this price, so once the stock's gone and it's going fast, this offer will end. So, if you want to make your old septic tank legal and compliant without having to spend £10,000 or £15,000 or more in replacement costs, and you'd like to make your septic tank smell-free, pollution-free, and safe for your family and the environment, then get your amazing ecosystem septic tank converter today. To order yours, just click the Order Now button below this video. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.